I'm not trying to rock you.
Dimwits. What the dim?
He was there, very happy, all jolly, in a dope t-shirt with Nike gloves. But dap me up quickly. That's what Limpopo Boy did to him. That was crazy. I was like, what the fuck?
Oh my gosh, Tahi.
Sorry. But I'm trying to understand, by disrespectful, what do you mean, bro?
They're like you. It's your age group. Anyway.
Oh, like we very, disrespectful.
And then I went to, there's no age. Don't bullshit me. There's no age.
No, but
you're disrespectful.
No, I want to understand.
Don't bullshit me. You are disrespectful.
No.
I don't want to explain how disrespectful you are on the show. I'll talk to you off camera, but you're a very disrespectful boy.
I'm very disrespectful?
You are.
That is why.
And then...
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Yeah, trend that ngemva kokuthi into enhlekisa ngalo mfana lo bathi ngibani uSifiso. So people are actually laughing at uSifiso ukuthi how setiyajikelana owina kokuthi uThahi and uSifiso hosta ishow. Is it a show or is it a podcast? Lebitwa ngokuthi Piano Pulse ayameg and beyishubile uThahi and inhlekisa ngaSifiso ngalesikhathi ahlangana naLimpopo Boy ku-events athi uzama kubingelela Limpopo Boy. Limpopo Boy wavela wangamnaki, so he was making fun of that. Alukahleka to a point ukuthi Sifiso ugqine wahluthuka wakwata wathi yana uThahi he's disrespectful, uyacelela and uchildish kesana. I'm just thinking ukuthi yena Sifiso amdala kangaka uvume njani ngowenda buma podcast nibantwana boThahi, like that's why icela sokuthi bantu ba childish but disrespectful uyadila nabo off camera because umtsala but uhleli lapha ukhuluma tindzaba ade bantu nebantwana. Ngiko bazebula Limpopo Boy bangakuthatha serious, bangafuna ukuthi babingelele kuma-events. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.